talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. Does she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie? Are you feeling free? Feels like an amendment there. First Amendment. Yeah. Oh man, awesome dads have tattoos? Check. Beards? Almost. Check. And dad, I think I got some kids somewhere. Anyway, Labor Department launching USPS investigation following payroll error impacting more than 50,000 rural carriers. How many times has the post office had some payroll errors? Now they want to have the Labor Department investigate? Postal Service is telling members of Congress that most of the rural letter carriers who missed the paycheck or received a partial paycheck last month are no longer waiting on back pay. USPS says more than 50,000 impacted rural carriers have been made whole, and that with limited exceptions, it paid carriers that were owed within 1 or 2 pay periods. I don't know, is that true? Has everybody been paid? But affected carriers tell Federal News Network that USPS still hasn't paid them correct amounts and that not receiving their paycheck on time led to overdraft fees from their bank. True. The situation marked a breaking point for one rural carrier who is leaving the agency. Okay. Several rural carriers waiting on their back pay contacted their state labor departments. Now the federal labor department is looking into the issue. Well, you don't play with people's money, dog. You don't play with people's money. A Labor Department spokesperson told Federal News Network this week that its wage and hour division can confirm that it has an open investigation into USPS. I don't know what that really means, though. I don't know. One federal agency investigating another federal agency? I don't know. It says no additional information can be provided as it's ongoing, the spokesperson said. I don't want to hear what the post office said because they're probably lying. It says the program issue has been identified and remediated, said the Postal Service worked expeditiously on the payroll adjustments to reflect updated to paychecks. Yeah. A spokesperson told Federal News Network last month that 68% of impacted employees as of September 12th requested and received a salary advance in the form of no-fee money order. See, so I got a problem with that one statement. It says 68% of impacted employees, that means that I didn't get a paycheck, I was impacted, requested and received a salary advance. It's not an advance. You owe me the damn money. What do you mean an advance? An advance on what I work for? Come on now. An advance? Why do you use that terminology? Oh, we're just advancing you the money till we fix it. You messed up. Why you playing with my money? That's the stuff that breaks people. Managers being upset and everybody else in toxic environment. Don't play with somebody's money. That's when they break. I'm trying to tell you. It says, an advance in the form of a no-fee money order. Limited exceptions. Rural carriers impacted by the payroll error have received their back pay, and the USPS made adjustments to correct the programming error. It is crazy how the rural carriers are getting stuck left and right and left and right, just from all corners. It's mind-boggling. It's almost as if it's planned, because Let me not be a conspiracy theorist, because that's not what I'm not that. But is that just weird that everything just seems like it's just going bad for them? They get, within this 1 year, think about all the bad things that has happened to the rural carriers. Think about that. They lost big chunks of money, not no little bit of money, big chunks of yearly money. They dealing with trying to decertify their union. Their pay has been messed up twice in 1 year. Come on, man. That's wow. That's wow. Anyway, yeah, you can read this on the Federal News Network yourself. I just wanted to let you know that it's interesting that they're finally under investigation, but who knows what that really means? It's JH, and I'm out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.